Hello and welcome everyone to the showcasing of my social network website, a website that's similar in concept to Twitter in the sense that users can make posts, follow one another, and like each other's posts. And so we're here on the index page, the main page, where as an unregistered users, I can see all of the posts. But if I go ahead here and log in, and let's log in as Yahya, that would be me, we would see that now I can submit a new post. So I can submit something like just finished CS50Web uh, network or something. And if I hit submit, we see that the post got posted, and the all post section I can see that posts are sorted chronologically, where the latest post is at the top. Then on each post I can see the user's name, the date, the content, and for posts that I made I can edit them, and the like count, where the white symbol here, the white heart, means that I did not like this post. And then moving on, I can even click on the user's name, so I can go to their profile. So let's go to Shadi's profile here. You can see all of his posts as well as his followers count and the number of people following him. Sorry, the number of people he's following. And so I'm already following him, so I have the option to unfollow. And we see that this decreases the number of followers by 1. If I follow him, that increases it by 1. And then moving on, if I go to my own profile, I'll see that I can see all of my posts, but I cannot follow or unfollow myself. And then as for following, so the following page here will show me the post of all of those I follow. So I follow Shadi and I follow admin, so I can see all of them. Then one interesting thing to note here is that for on each page where we see posts, we have this pagination where instead of showing all of the posts at once, it shows 10 per page. Then I can hit next to go to the next page. And as you can see at the top here, we are at page 2 and then page 3, and I can go to the last page, which happens to be page 6. So I can go to the first page. Again, notice if I just go here and the default route without page 1, the system will know that probably if I don't ask for request a specific page, then I want page 1, and it handles this accordingly. And next, let's go back to here, the home page, where I show the edit feature. So if I hit on edit here, we see that the text content is now populated in a text area where I can update it. Also notice that using JavaScript, the text area dynamically grows and shrinks. So if I do something like this and update it, first of all, if I refresh, we see that the database has been updated as well. If I click edit here, again, we see that it resizes perfectly cleanly here, and so I can remove that and hit update again, and it's updated. The last feature I want to show is the ability to like and unlike posts. So I can hit like here, so I cannot like, as I can see, cannot like my own post, but I can clearly like Shadi's. So if I click here, we see that it gets a heart and it's incremented by 1. We see that someone liked one of my posts, but since I'm not the one, it's not in red. And I think the best way to show this functionality of how the JavaScript uses the API to update the count, let's go ahead and duplicate this web page here. Again, I'm logged in as Yahya. So if I go here and I unlike, the count becomes 0. If I go here, it's still 1, it's not up to date. If I try to unlike, I will get a warning telling me that I cannot do that. Hitting OK refreshes the page and shows me the actual count. And if I also open a new browser here and open the web page quickly, and then let's log in as anyone, let's say admin123. Relatively quickly here, go to Shadi's post. If I give it a like, now the like count is 1. If I go here on my browser and I hit like, the like count becomes 2 because the API have already registered an extra like, and then it adds that. And so that's all for my social network website. Thank you all for watching, and as always, have a nice day.